Most people get mobile carriers wrong. They think all plans are the same, but US Mobile and Google Fi serve very different needs. If you are trying to choose between the two, here's everything you need to know. US Mobile is a flexible, prepaid carrier that lets you customize your plan. You can choose the exact amount of talk, text, and data you need, which is great if you want to control costs. Plans start as low as $4 per month for basic service, and you can scale up if you need more data. The surprising truth is that their coverage relies on Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T networks, so you get strong nationwide coverage without paying for extras you don't use. Google Fi, on the other hand, is designed for simplicity and international travel. You pay $20 per month for talk and text and $10 per gigabyte of data. Most people get this wrong by assuming data overages will break the bank. Google Fi automatically adjusts, so you only pay for what you use, and unused data is credited back. Another perk is seamless switching between T-Mobile, US Cellular, and Wi-Fi networks for better coverage. In terms of speed and reliability, both carriers perform well in urban areas, but US Mobile can offer more competitive rates if you mostly use local data. Google Fi shines if you travel internationally frequently because it offers data in over 200 countries at no extra cost. The key takeaway is this: if you want maximum flexibility and lower monthly costs, US Mobile is probably better. If you want simplicity, excellent international coverage, and automatic network switching, Google Fi might be your choice. Subscribe for more honest mobile carrier comparisons so you can pick the plan that truly fits your lifestyle.